Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. We are going to get some editing skills. I'm not an expert, but I do fairly decent on the editing. So this is an iPhone 11 Pro. I use this to film the majority of my videos. So what I use is KineMaster right here. This is the app. If you're looking for it on, it is in the App Store, and this is the one you are going to be looking for. Now, iPhone does come with iMovie, which is also an editing app. I do find for basic use, iMovie is very simplistic and does basic skills. So for today, we are going to use KineMaster and do some basic type editing skills. So you're going to open up the app and it's going to say welcome to KineMaster, and scroll through, click through the welcome screens telling you about packages so that you can have different effects, blah blah blah. You know the deal. So it says, welcome to KineMaster, create, edit, and share on the go. Easy, powerful video editor. And a lot of you have asked about speed control. So today we are going to talk about speed control. So there's different assets, but let's just say you just want to learn how to get in there and edit. So you'll see this pop up right here. This is the add your media file button. This is the settings button. This is if you are a premium member. This is their TikTok version and their YouTube. So if you want to connect with them on those levels, be sure to do that. As you can see, I have some other videos there. So we will just hit the add media. And when you are editing or posting a video, you want to choose 16:9 ratio unless you are doing TikTok. Then you want the vertical up and down one. But for a regular YouTube video, 16:9 will do. So then you're prompted to this screen, and right here it says media. This is the button for KineMaster store, which we are not doing. We're just doing basic editing. So I'm going to go into media, and then you will see video, photos. These are from your videos and photos that you've done on your camera. And you will select all. And as you can see, I've got so many videos here. So we are going to select this Christmas sweater one. Okay, cut to where we've got the video selected right here. We just want to hit the check mark, and there's our video. All right, so you have media files, layering, audio. We're not adding any effects right now, which would come from audio. We're not adding any other media, which would come from media, and we're not layering. Right now, we are just doing a fast forward. So you'll select this button, hold it down, move to beginning, and it takes you right to the beginning. So you could play out the video and see what part you want to fast forward, edit. You click on your video, and you see this bar right here, this yellow can go in to where you want it and back to the beginning. So how you fast forward? Let's take this point right here in the video. You're going to trim or split, and you're going to split at the playhead. Boom, right there. So now you have two. You're going to take another trim, select right here, click on it, click trim, split at playhead. So this is the piece that we're going to split and fast forward. So it's yellow highlighted, means we got it. Then you go to speed. Speed's right here. 1 times, 4 times, 8 times, just to make it easy. Or you can scroll across and select 2, 3. I usually go with 2. And if you wanted to mute the audio, you could. But for this, we're just going to hit the check mark. So this is our little blip. Now let's go back and see if it worked. Totally worked. Again, if you want to trim a section, you hit trim at playhead, scroll to the spot that you want to be fast forwarded. Stay on there, highlighted, stay on there, trim again, and then select your piece, which is this one. Go to the speed. Let's go with, we'll do 4 times, and mute the audio. Hit the check mark. Go back. Let's play it through. All right, looks like it worked. So if you have any questions, comments, please leave that down in the chat. And that will be it for today's speed up video on editing. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and stay safe.